Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my brushes using the new Sigma Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. This is a brand new product that just came out from Sigma, one of my favorite makeup brush companies, and they make really innovative products for cleaning your brushes so they're fuss-free. It's not as much of a headache to do it, and this is a new little device that I thought would be super fun to show you guys how to use. I'm also throwing in a giveaway for you guys. I have 3 of the Practk Palmat. This little makeup cleaning device that I did a video on. I will put that link down below of that review video so you can see how I actually use it, but I thought what a better video to throw this in here for because I've been meaning to give them away to you all. So I'm actually going to be hosting this on my social media, so make sure you check out the link down below to find out how you can win one of these. So this is what the product looks like. This is called the SigMagic Scrub Solid Brush Cleanser. It actually has 3 little suction cups on the back, and it actually has the brush cleanser, like a bar cleanser, almost like a bar of soap within the product, and then you can clean your brushes while also like scrubbing them at the same time, which is awesome. It says it's a 2-in-1 deep cleans makeup brushes quickly and easily. So it has the soap within the actual part that you rub the brush on. It says you can secure it with suction cups to the sink. It's antimicrobial, gentle and effective, silicone texture, scrub away dirt and germs. So that's really cool. Love how it's actually antimicrobial because I typically use like baby shampoo or something, but lately it just has not been doing the job, especially for like my foundation and concealer brushes. So I'm really excited to try this out and actually see how it works. I'm going to be demoing it, actually how to use it. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So it comes with little suction cups on the back of the device. So all you do is you just press it down onto your sink and it sticks really well. You can put it up on the back of your sink or on the bottom. Now I'm just going to wet my brush. This is one of my foundation brushes that's always caked with foundation. So I'm just rubbing this on the brush and it foams up really nicely. I love how it has that texture to it, so it really helps to scrub the brush and get all the product out. Then I'm just rinsing out my brush and it came clean so fast. I found that I didn't have to keep going back and forth like I normally do when I use baby shampoo. I was really impressed with the cleaning power of this, and I liked how it made my brush feel soft afterwards, and it had a nice smell to it too. It was just so much better than using baby shampoo. I don't know where this has been my whole life. I wish I've had this because it's always a pain to clean my brushes, so having something like this to use really just makes it painless and less of a chore for sure. So now I'm just showing you how you can also use it with eye brushes. It works with any brush type, both synthetic and natural hair brushes. I'm just cleaning off an eyeshadow brush and then an eyeliner brush, and it really got that stubborn product off really well. And now I'm just using it with a makeup sponge that has like concealer all caked in it. I'm just wetting the sponge first and then I'm going to rub it over the solid. I actually love using like a regular bar of soap for my sponges. I just find that that works the best with cleaning this type of product, but this really works nicely because it just foams up a lot better than traditional soap, and I know that it's better for my brushes because it's made for brushes or sponges, and it just got the product off really good. And with the texture on it too, it kind of helped remove that stubborn concealer on there. I also forgot to mention that the actual formula is 100% natural. It's made with virgin coconut oil, and it also has sustainable palm oil formula, so it helps melt away your makeup, it kills bacteria at the same time, and it's antimicrobial. And I like how it has that vented cap on it, so it can actually drain the water and it can dry better. And if you want to leave it suctioned to the top of your sink, you could leave it like away from the water and just leave that lid on it, so you always have it available to clean your brushes. So maybe it'll help remind you to clean your brushes more. So this is for sale for $19 on Sigma's website. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in getting it, and I'll try to find you a coupon code. So that's it for my review on the SigMagic Scrub Brush Cleanser. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in getting it. So now for the Practk Palmat giveaway. This is actually a brand started by Sigma because they wanted to create something more affordable for people opposed to like their mitts. I do have their brush cleansing mitt that I really love, but it's like $30. This is a smaller version that is more affordable. I think these are like 10 bucks a piece, or they were when they first came out. So I'll put the instructions on how to enter down below. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and then share the giveaway posts that I'll have on social media. So at the same time that this video goes up, I'll have an Instagram post go up, a Twitter post, and a Facebook post. So all you have to do is share those. For Instagram, you can just repost them, and that will count as your entry for this. If you don't have any of those, you can just enter here in the comments. You can just leave me a comment down below about like why you want to enter or something like that, and you will be entered to win. This is going to be open internationally, and I'll have this going on for 2 weeks. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye everyone.